Hello students, today I am going to solve the questions on a route stability criteria. So especially from your question paper, that's a 2019, so last year question paper. So last time I have solved the problems on time response analysis, say from this question paper. Okay, so you just check this question paper. So there is no question is given from route stability in multiple choice especially. So no question is given in multiple choice. So only 6 marks question is given in your question paper. So I will show you this one here. Seventh question paper. So that is seventh second part. Okay, the characteristic equation of a system is given by, so s power 4 plus 20s cubed plus 15s square plus 2s plus k is equal to 0. Determine the range of k for system to be stable and find the value of k and the frequency of sustained oscillations. So we are going to do this problem. Okay, so here how many marks total from route stability criteria? From route stability multiple choice questions, so 0. Okay, 6 marks 1 question. So this is the question is given here. I'm going to solve it today for you. Okay, so you see that the characteristic equation, what the characteristic equation is given, s power 4 20s cubed plus 15s square plus 2s plus k is equal to 0. What actually you have to find? You have to find range of k for stable system. Okay, and after that find the value of k and the frequency of sustained oscillation, that is omega n. So omega n we have to find it. Okay, so we will find it. So from the given equation, the characteristic equation is s power 4, okay, 20 s cubed plus 15 s square plus 2s plus k is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation given to us. Now we will form route stability criterion from this characteristic equation. Okay, so what is the characteristic equation? I'm going to write it here. S power 4, okay, s power 3, s square, s power 1, 0. Right. What are the even powers coefficients? Even powers of coefficients. So you know that 1. Okay, I'm going to write here 1. Then after that 15. Then after that k. Then odd powers of coefficients. So that is 20 and 2. So this value become 0. Okay, now we are going to find it this one. Okay, so you see that here first you find s square coefficients. Okay, in s square coefficient what is there? So you know how to find this. So here 20 into 15, okay, 1 into 2. Okay, so what is 15 into 20? 15 into 20 is a 300. You know that 15 into 20 is 300. 15 into 20, 300, right? So I'm going to write here 15 into 20 minus 2 into 1 by 20. So what happened here? This is 300 minus how much? 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 20. So 298 by 20. So you will get answer for this. How much you will get? 20. So 298 by 20. How much? 298. So divided by, so you put 20. So you will get 14.9. 14.9. So I'm going to write here 14.9. So next what happened? 20 into k. 20 into k, okay, minus 1 into 0, minus 1 into 0 by 20. So what you get? 20k by 20. So you will get k value. So this value would be k. Now we have to find the S1 coefficients. Okay, I'm going to find here S1 coefficients. Now I'm going to find S1 coefficients. S1 coefficients, what is that? 49.2 into 2 minus 20k by 14.9. So what is that? 14.9 into 2, okay, minus 20k by how much? 14.9. We just multiply 14.9 into 2. So you will get how much you will get? You will get 29.8. So 29.8, okay, minus 20k by 14.9. okay, I'm just going to write it here. So 29.8 minus 20k by 14.9. So further value become 0. Okay, okay. So now what is the s power 0 coefficient? You will just find the s power 0 coefficient, you will get only k value. So you cross multiply this one into this, okay, this one into this, okay, this 14 minus and this one divided. So you will only get the k value. So k value. Now we examine first column of Routh array. First column. So this is the first column. We are going to examine. Okay. Systems to be stable. So what should be the k value? That's what the question. Determine the range of k for system to be stable. So for a system to be stable, what would be the k value? So I'm going to take from S0 row, k greater than 0 for stable system. For system to be stable, for stable system, and also from s power 1 row. So 29 minus 8, 20k by 14.9 should be greater than 0 for stable system. Okay, now we have to find the range of the k from this equation. How are we going to find the range of k from this? So I will tell you. So you just take from s power row, it is clear that k should be greater than 0 for the stable system. So from s power 1 row, so you see that s power 1, what is s power 1 row? S power 1 row says that 29.8 minus 20k by 14.9 greater than 0. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, 29.8 minus 20k, when you cross multiply here, 14.9 into 0, it becomes 0. So 29.8, so when you take that side, it become 20 of, here is a k, it becomes 20k. So 29.8 by 29.8 cross multiply 20. Okay, then what is this value? This value you will get, how much you will get? 29.8 by 20. So you will get 1.49. So k value, so this is 1.49. so k value should be this value. Okay, from the s power 0, what happened? K value should be greater than 0. So k value should be greater than 0 and less than 49.9. Okay, this is the range of the k value for system to be stable. This is the, okay, so this is the range of k. So this is range of k for system to be stable. We will just examine this one. You just see that what is the route, your route array. Your route array is, so I am going to write it here. So s power 4, s cubed, s square, s power 1, s power 0. So what is our formulation? Here s power 4 is 1, 15 k, next 20 to 0, next 14.9 k, and this value 29.8 minus 20k by 14.9. okay, and k. So k greater than 0, it means positive value. So if we substitute in this equation, take this equation, in this equation if we substitute k value less than 14.9, less than 14 point, no sorry, it is the k value is 1.49. If you substitute here 1.48 here k value, you substitute k is equal to 1.48, so you will get the k value is 1.46. you will get, if you substitute k value 1.46, what happened here? You will get, we substitute k value 1.48, substitute k value 1.48. so what is the value you got? K value should be less than 1.49. so I will take one value to test it, 1.48. if you substitute 1.48, see here 29.8, 20 into k value how much? 1.48 by how much? 1.49. so we will calculate it, how much you will get. So 20 into 1.48, this value is 29 point, this value is 29.6. So 29.8 minus 6, how much it is? 0.20 minus 29.8, how much you will get? So you will get minus, so you will get 0.2 by 1.49. So 1.49, so you will get 0.13. so if you substitute, so k value, so 1.48, you got the k value, 0.13. it means this is a positive value. so if we substitute below 1.4948, 1.46 like this, okay, so you will all get the positive value. If you substitute more than 1.49, so what happened? You will get the negative value, so the system become stable. your system become stable. So what is the range of k? The range of k is, your systems to be stable, the range of k I have already mentioned here. So here 0, k greater than 0, less than 1.19. So this is the range of the k for the stable system. For the second question, they have asked, second question we have to find find the value of k and the frequency of sinusoidal oscillation. So to find that, so here we have to find the k value. We have to find the k value and omega n we have to find from this equation. So what is the given characteristic equation? So given characteristic equation is, so you know that s power 4 plus 20 s cube plus 15 s square plus 2s plus k is equal to 0. This is the given characteristics. What is this? Simply substitute s is equal to j omega. If substitute s is equal to j omega, what do you get? J omega whole power 4 plus 20 j omega whole power cube plus 15 j omega whole square 2 j omega, okay, plus k is equal to 0. So what happened? J power omega whole power 4, j power 4 omega power 4, 20, okay, j cube omega cube, okay, 15 j square omega square. This is 2 j omega plus k is equal to 0, right? So what is j power 4 value? So you know that j square is equal to minus 1. So then minus 1 into minus 1, this value is how much? 1. It means j square, j power 4 value is 1, okay. So 1 into omega power 4. So here so j cubed means what? J cubed means j square into j, so minus 1 into j. So j cubed is equal to what? Minus j 20 minus j omega cube. 15 j square means minus 1, so 15 omega square plus 2 j omega plus k is equal to 0, So I will take another sheet. Okay, what is the equation we got? So you got this equation, omega power 4 minus 20 j omega cube minus 15 omega square plus 2 j omega plus k is equal to 0. So we just separate j omega terms and real part and imaginary part, we just separate it. So omega square, so this is the real part, omega power 4 minus 15 omega square plus k, okay. Where is the j? We just take the j common, so what do you get here? Minus 20 omega cube plus 2 omega is equal to 0, okay. This is like a complex number. So not what I'm going to do, omega power 4 minus 15 omega square plus k is equal to 0, okay. Next minus 20 imaginary part, minus 20 omega cube plus 2 omega is equal to 0, 2 omega is equal to 0, okay. 2 omega is equal to 0. So what do you get now? So now what do you get? So from this equation, minus 20 omega cube is equal to minus 2 omega. So minus gets cancelled. So what happened? Here here omega is there, omega cube means 1 omega gets cancelled here. What is there? Omega square is equal to 2 by 20. So you will get 2 by 20. So minus 20 omega cubed from this equation, right? And I check the characteristic equation, so that's fine. Minus 20 omega cubed plus 2 omega is equal to 0. So what happened here? So minus minus again gets cancelled. Here omega cubed is omega is there. So what happened? Here 2 1 ja 2 10. Okay, what happened? 1 by 10. So omega square is equal to what? 1 by 10. Or we can also write omega 1 by 10 matlab how much? So it is 0.01. 0.01. So 0.1. So it is 0.1. So omega is equal to, so 0.1 root plus or minus 0.1 root. So how much the value you will get? So you will get around 0.31. So 0.316 radians per second. So omega n value you got 0.316 radians per second. So you have to find the k value. To find the k value, you just substitute here 0.316 whole power minus 15 0.316 square plus k is equal to 0. So we just do it this one. I will find here 0. So we will find 0.316 into 3, that is you will get 0.948 minus 15 into so 0.316 into 15. So you get this value 4.74 plus k is equal to 0. Okay, so what the value of this? 0.948 is equal to 4.74. Okay, we just minus it from this. So here how much here? 4.74. okay, so this is you got 0.948 minus 4.74 plus k is equal to 0. Just you subtract here. So minus 0.48. How much you get? So you get minus 3.792 plus k is equal to 0. After subtracting from minus 4.74 to 0.948, when you subtract, you will get minus 3.792 plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 3.792. So this is the k value. So we got the k value, we got the omega n value. The k value with the 3.792, the omega n is 0.316 radians per second. So this is the final answer.